Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to buy any games on Steam and you want to pay with your Revolut account, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay on Steam using Revolut. For this, first you need to go through your Revolut app and go to your card section to note your card details. Tap the card icon in the top right. Tap show details to see your card number, CVV and expiry date. These details is essential for completing the purchase process in Steam. Now go to your favorite games that you want to buy from Steam. For example, I'm searching for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and here some games need to verify your age. There are age restriction in apps, so you must need to have the qualified age for the game. Now scroll a little down. Here you will find the costing details of the game, and you can find a button named add to cart. Click on this button. After clicking on this button, you can now view my cart. That means you can view your cart that you have added the game. Now from here you must need to select this for my account if you want to buy for yourself, and if you want to gift someone, then you can select this is a gift. You must have to log in to your account in Steam. If you don't, then they will ask you for log into your account. Then enter your credential and log into your account. And also you can use Steam app on your desktop and your laptop. Now you can see at the right side of your screen a button named continue to payment. Click on it, and from here you can pay with PayPal and other method, but you need to select your Visa. Don't forget to select the Visa from this drop down menu and enter your Revolut card credentials, your card details like card number, your expiry date, CVV and your address. Also don't forget to enter your phone numbers. This is the billing information, and on top of this form you will find the card details section, your expiration date and CVV number. Enter those required details perfectly and correctly to avoid any type of hassle for this payment process. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.